Hello and welcome guys. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create a keyboard shortcut for any application. So just click on Start and choose any application from here. I have chosen Audacity. Just right click on it, go to More and click on Open File Location. And now just right click on Audacity and choose Properties. The Audacity properties has been opened. Under the shortcut key option, just click in the box. Cursor will be blinking. And now we are ready to create application shortcut key. Press the Ctrl plus Alt plus character key or any numeric key as well on the keyboard. So press the apply button, then OK. It is done guys. And now guys, let's check this keyboard shortcut will work or not. So I am going to press Ctrl plus Alt plus numeric key. As you can see guys, the application Audacity has been opened successfully. It is done. I hope guys this video will help you. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.